Yeah, now we come to the third question for today. For this, we will not try to prove the identity, but by using the concept of identity, we try to figure out the value of certain trigonometric operation given. So, for example, okay, this is question C. Question C. Okay, given that sine x minus cosine x, which is 1 out of 3. Find the value of secant x minus cosecant x. That's the last question. Okay, so we try. Yeah, okay, this is the solution. We see the information we have here is sine square x minus cosine, oops, sorry, this is not square, my bad. Yeah, sine x minus cosine x, oops, equals to 1 over 3. Okay, then by using this information, we need to find what is the value of this secant x minus cosecant x. Okay, now I just play with this. Remember that because this is sine, this is cosine, I'm trying to figure out this expression in terms of sine and cosine. So it means I need to change this. Yeah, I need to change this expression since we know that secant x is actually the reciprocal of cosine x, and we have cosecant x as the reciprocal of sine x. The next thing, I take here, I can write secant x minus cosecant x equals to, I take this, 1 over cosine x minus 1 over sine x. After that, okay, I make the denominator the same. So this must be sine x minus cosine x out of cosine x times sine x. And based on the question, there is information given to us. Look at this. That this one. Yeah. Sine x minus cosine x equals to 1 over 3. So basically, oops, sorry, I need to use the black one, yeah? Okay, so I can write sine x minus cosine x, which is the numerator with 1 over 3. All right, based on the information given, out of cosine x, sine x. I think you get that, yeah? But the problem now is, how do we figure out? How do we figure out the value of cosine x and sine x, since it is not given to us? So what will we do? Any suggestion? What do you think? What do you think, students? What will we do? How do we find the value of cosine x and sine x? Okay, now follow me step by step and listen carefully. I make it here. Now I take the information we have, which is sine x minus cosine x is 1 over 3. I want to find the value of this. Yeah, by using this information. So I try to square both sides, square as well as this square. Then you expand. This becomes sine square x minus 2 sine x cosine x. Oops, sorry. This is automatically, yeah? This is cosine x plus cosine square x equals to 1 over 9. Then as you see here, if you take this and this, the sine square x and cosine square x, this equals to 1, am I right? Yeah, equals to 1. Remember the basic identity. This is 1 minus 2 sine x cosine x, which is 1 over 9. Then I can transfer this to this side. Am I right? So it becomes negative 2 sine x cosine x. This becomes 1 over 9 minus 1. Okay? I think you get it, yeah? Just follow me step by step. And after this, we simplify again. Negative or minus 2 sine x cosine x equals to, what will we have? This must be negative 8 over 9. Am I right? Yeah? You get it? Yeah? Okay. Then negative, negative, it becomes positive, right? On the both side, because we have two negatives. Yeah? Left hand side and right hand side, so it becomes positive. And then sine x cosine x, this must be 8, okay, over 9 divided by 2. So what will we have? Sine x cosine x equals to 8 out of 18. Am I right? Is that correct? What do you think? Is it correct? Yeah, that's correct, yeah. Can we simplify this? divided by 2, right? It's become 4 over 9. Am I right? Yes, 4 over 9, yeah? Then, now you have the value of sine x, cosine x, which is 4 over 9. Okay, then we come back here. So, just write here, yeah? This become 1 over 3 divided by 4 over 9. And simply we have 1 over 3 times 9 over 4, right? This is 3. So we have 3 over 4 as the answer. Okay, so now you have that the value of secant x minus cosecant x equals to 3 over 4. Right? That's the answer. What do you think? Is it difficult? Not really, yeah? Mathematics needs thinking skill. And by looking these examples, hopefully you can learn something. Okay? The problem is many students, before we try their best in answering some mathematics problems, in solving some math problems, they give up too fast, right? But actually, when you're trying your best to use your thinking skill and all the basic knowledge you have, it will be easier for you to deal with any problems like this. Okay? Because mathematics is actually helps us to improve our thinking skill, and we can be better problem solver. I think that's for today. Thank you for your kind attention. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.